Welcome to Research America's National Health Research Forum. I'm Mary Woolley, President of Research America, and on behalf of our board, and if our board members just kind of either stand up or wave your hand, so many of you are here, thank you, and our extraordinary staff, my colleagues on staff, take a bow, you all. They're not all in the room. We thank you for being here today. And to those who are not in the room, thank you for joining the webcast, which is made possible by WebMD. This year's Straight Talk program has a provocative theme, I think you would agree, is a disease-free world within reach, a disease-free world. And we've invited our panelists and speakers today to share their insights on whether we are getting steadily closer to meeting that aspiration or whether we're slipping further away. And what are the conditions, the challenges, the opportunities that can speed medical progress and get us to that goal? How can we make significant strides in prevention and treatment, halt the progression of disease, and combat threats like the opioid epidemic, Alzheimer's disease, cancer, cardiovascular disease, and so much more? Big questions, to be sure. And I'm sure we're going to get some straight talk. Research America, our member organizations and partners are actively advocating every day for robust funding for research and public health, and for policies that drive private sector innovation instead of getting in the way. We are urging Congress to pass a bipartisan budget deal that would raise spending caps to help unleash the innovation that could bring us closer to cures and the eradication of deadly and disabling diseases. We also urge Congress to repeal the medical device tax once and for all. It's a barrier that is slowing down the very innovation that we need to develop state-of-the-art devices to support our wounded warriors and countless other patients. We're counting on all of the advocates for research to step up your game, contact members of Congress before decisions are made that will affect us all for a long time to come. Please join us on a 2-day social media push this coming Monday and Tuesday, that's the 11th and 12th of September, to urge Congress to raise the spending caps. You can check that out on social media, Twitter and Facebook for details. And I'm sure that our panelists will share examples of why it's important to add to those you already know to strengthen our national commitment to research. Before we begin today's discussions, I want to thank our sponsors. First of all, to Pfizer, our lead sponsor today. To our panel sponsors, AdvaMed, Amgen, Celgene, Elsevier, Janssen Pharmaceutical Companies of Johnson & Johnson, Picori, and UCB. And to our science sponsors, Astellas, the American Association of Colleges of Pharmacy, the American Cancer Society, the American Heart Association, the American Public Health Association, Bristol-Myers Squibb, and Sanofi. And to our media sponsors, Politico Pro, you may have seen the ad yesterday in Politico, and WebMD, which is hosting today's live stream to viewers across the country. We hope all of you will join the conversation on social media using the hashtag RAForum17, hashtag RAForum17. So right now, without further ado, we're going to hear from our keynote speaker, Dr. Michael Dolston, President, Worldwide Research and Development of Pfizer, the lead sponsor of today's program. Please welcome Dr. Dolston.